Okay, so for the final fan that I'm gonna do a remake of, we have the Harbor Breezeway. I got this back. I got this off of OfferUp back in November of 2019. Um, Now I don't remember like what I said in my I don't remember what I said the date was in my original video, but so before I put this back up, I looked at the date and it's actually from December of 2001. So yeah. Now usually I don't really like Harbor Breeze fans because I mean first of all they're kind of bad, worse than Hampton Bay I'd say. Um, so yeah, there's like 10 or so Harbor Breeze models that I actually like, and the Breezeway being one of them. Um, Now you might notice that there are two different chain, like it has two different pull chains. Uh, Now the original pull chains I put on the Hunter Studio series, which is now in my office. Um, so yeah, and uh, as you can see, I have the uh, oak side facing down because I'm pretty sure I said this in my original video, but so the fan has some burn marks. And I thought that was because the capacitor in it was bad, but that was not the case, which is good. So yeah. Anyway, before I turn the fan on, I'm going to give you a closer look at it. Okay, and now let's get to demonstrating the fan. So there's the light. And here's the low. Oh yeah, and what I forgot to mention, which is something that I keep doing for whatever reason, is that in my original video of this fan, like it originally had like one light bulb because I didn't have any other light bulbs. So yeah, that's another reason why I'm doing another remake of this fan. I mean a remake, not another. English is my second language. Uh, it's not. I'm joking. Uh, but yeah. All right. So here's medium. Yeah, as you can see, the pull chain light is or or the light pull chain is kind of. All right. Well, never mind. I guess it's not like shaking like crazy anymore. One thing that I kind of like about this fan is the motor housing. Uh, and another and one other thing that I kind of like about Breezeways is that is the shades that they have, because I think they look because I think they look pretty unique. Okay, last but not least, hi. As you can see, it pushes a lot of air. I mean, it's a small fan, so of course it's gonna do that. All right, now I'm gonna turn it off. And there you have it. That is my Harbor Breeze Breezeway. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And stay tuned for more.